Good evening, everybody. It's a sell stop to the blue line, I think, across the board in all three indices, but I'll have to check that in a minute. And let's see, we're still not there. There we go. I'm going to whip through these. I'll answer a few questions. Not in a huge rush tonight. Not going to stand too long, though. Good evening, everybody. Hope you all had a great day. Hope you're having a great evening. Not a financial advisor. Okay, let's head over to here. Let's go over to there. ATL. Let's go over to here, which is today. Save. Bingo, Boppo, Bango. Let's go over to the live. Let's pull that down. And let's go over to here. What's up, everybody? We'll be going over the callouts for tomorrow, but I do have to get my TikTok up and running. And then next, I got to eventually got to figure out that stupid other one. But anyway, good evening, good evening, good evening. Bippity boppity boo. TikTok should be good to go here in just a second. I'll be calling out a whole shit ton of trades, and then we'll go ahead and explain a few trades, and then I'll answer your questions if you need anything. I have 2 trades open. Both are buys. Let me make sure my NAS is in where it needs to be locked in. Hold on one second. It's a NAS buy stop. And yeah, I'm comfortable with that. We got to leave it a little room to do its thing. And then a gold buy stop. And I think the gold's still doing okay too, but we'll check both those officially here in a minute. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute buy. 15 minute buy. Yeah, I'll look at all this in a minute. Sorry, I'm jumping ahead. 1 minute sell. 1 minute sell to a blue line, actually. All right, let me get my TikTok up and rolling. Good evening, everybody on YouTube. Good evening, everybody on TikTok. I'm just kind of rambling on around here. What's up, Azar? What's up, John? What's up, Yoda Man? Good evening, Sam I Am. Good evening, Dr. Matt Spangler, number one. Good evening, Sandman's for you. Good evening, EAA851. Good evening, private user. Good evening, Raider Trader. Good evening, Yared T. Good evening, Ryan Saman. Good evening, Brian Claus. Good evening, Nathan Horner. Good evening, everybody. Let's go ahead and everybody on TikTok head to YouTube, and everybody on YouTube head to TikTok. I'm going to go make a whole bunch of call outs right now. Let's see. Sell stop 1 minute. What is this? Gold? US 30. Oh, that's gold. All right, but we'll get to it. All right. First of all, we're going to start with oil. We're going to do an oil 1 minute, 5 minute. Let's see what we got going on here. Good evening, Jacob. Good evening, Kenneth Head. Good evening, Tom Williams. Good evening, Becky. Good evening. I think that's it on everybody so far. Making my call outs quickly, and then we'll answer some questions, and I'll show you a couple of different training things. 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute sell, 30 minute sell, 30 minute 1 hour, 30 minute 1 hour buy, 30 minute 1 hour buy, US oil, UK oil, 1 minute, 5 minute sell, 4 hour weekly, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily buy. And that's it on US oil, UK oil. Good evening, Abil Cashew. Cashew? I love cashews. Good evening, Cristobal Armis. Good evening, BH8. Good evening, Lee. All right. XRP. Let's see how XRP ended up doing today. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line has been finished. It's also going to redo it again. 1 minute sell stop, blue line. And matter of fact, all three indices while I'm at it, but we'll get to that in a second. XRP, 1 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. XRP, 15-minute buy stop. Not yet. It's going to hook down further and come back up. Then XRP will form a 15-minute, 30-minute to the 30-minute blue line, which it did earlier today, which was called out live today. And then you'll see it go to the 1 hour blue line. So that's how I'd be reading that. 4 hour sell stop is forming. 4 hour daily sell stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. XRP, Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Yep. Ethereum, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop is going to form a 15-minute. I think so. I think this is going to turn out. I would enter this in off a 15-minute buy on Ethereum to the 30-minute blue line. 1 minute, 1 minute sell. It's going to turn into 15, 30-minute to the 1 hour blue line buy. Ethereum. 4 hour daily sell stop. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Ethereum. Bitcoin. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute. 15. It's forming right now. 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. Bitcoin to Ethereum's 1 minute blue line, by the way. That's where it's going to. Daily sell stop Bitcoin. Weekly sell stop Bitcoin. Monthly buy stop Bitcoin. GBP JPY, 1 minute. Let's see, is it going all the way down? Where's she blowing to? Yep. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute. Oh, hold on 1 second. I got to get this thing real quick. I'll be right there. All right. Where were we? GBP JPY, 1 minute sell to the blue line. 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Already went up to the 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily, 4 hour daily, for a daily buy stop, daily weekly buy stop, GBP JPY. Next up, UTSHEF, which is the complete opposite of ERUSD. UTSHEF is on forming a buy stop on a 4 hour. ERUSD is forming a sell stop. Quite simply, it's quite obvious. They're opposites. At any rate, ERUSD 1 minute sell stop to the, that's nice actually. Sell stop to the blue line. I think I'm going to drop one in right over here and just wait for that one. Won't be much, but I don't care. We'll just throw some in. We already got a couple of good winners rolling right here. 1 minute. If this can arch up a little bit, though, I'm going to take that up higher too. 1 minute sell stop ERUSD to the blue line. 5 minute buy stop to the 15-minute blue line. ERUSD 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. So 5 minute buy stop to the 30-minute blue line. Then it is forming a 1 hour, 4 hour sell stop. Daily sell stop. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line of ERUSD. SPX 1 minute. SPX 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. SPX 15-minute buy stop is going to form later this evening, tomorrow, whatever. That's why there's a 1 minute sell. 4 hour sell. Daily buy. Okay, that's SPX, also called SPY. NAS 100, 1 minute. Sell stop to the blue line. 5 minute. 5 minute, 15. Well, I think they're going to keep dropping a little bit. Oh, you're in the money on the sell. You're in the money on whatever that sell was. Let's take a look here. You're in the money on the sell on ERUSD too. You're in the money on the sell on ERUSD. Let's switch back to that one real quick. Let me see the 1 minute real quick. Yep, beautiful. In the money. Lock in profit or take your profit out. Doesn't matter. We'll drop it here. I'm going to put my take profit line right here. Just called this for you. You're in the money, I guess, $5, $7. It's not much, but I like winning. So that's all that matters to me. I'm up a few thousand on the other trades over here. 6,800 and 8,400 plus the $6. I'm going to take that trade. I'm good. All right. Anywho, guess we were right on that trade. Huh? Okay, back to NAS. NAS, 1 minute, sell stop to the blue line. NAS, 5 minutes is going to form. I'd like a 15-minute buy stop. What did I write down here earlier? Hold on. This is a sell stop, boop, boop, to blue line. That'll happen overnight or something. 15-minute buy stop is what I think we're going to flip to. Isn't that cute how it just switches around? I'll have to check that to where it's heading to. I'm not sure on that answer to this one. We'll come back to that. All right, 15-minute buy, 30-minute 1 hour buy, 4 hour, 5 daily buy. Okay, do I have daily buy? I do. All right, that's SPX and NAS. Here's US 30. US 30, 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. You're in the money on all three of those, by the way. And you are USD, so you're in the money on all four of those, by the way. 4, 5, 5, 5. I literally just caught 7 pips on ERUSD, and we're not even trying. 1 minute sell stop, US 30 to blue line or close thereof. You're already in the money, doesn't matter. Forming a 15-minute buy stop, which you can put right above here. Just don't get suckered into this trade. It's going to happen. Probably the buy will be much later today. I'm going to drop that down right here and trace that down as it goes down. 15-minute, 30-minute buy will form later today. It'll go up to the 1 hour blue line of US 30. Daily buy, daily, weekly buy. That's US 30. Gold, 1 minute. Gold, 1 minute. Already went to the blend. Sell stop gold right now. Sell stop gold 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, 15-minute, 30, 30. Nope, 30. 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute. Can we enter it off the 1 hour? I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here. No, we cannot, but soon we can. It's going to drop further. Buy stop gold again. I'm already in it, but we're going to drop one right here. Let it do its thing, but it's going to be a buy stop 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop on gold. Yep, same thing. Daily, sell, stop, gold, daily, weekly buy. And there you go. That's gold. All right, let me see ERUSD again real quick. Yep, ERUSD is so much in the money. That's awesome. Yay, us. I'm going to lock in profit so we can't lose on the trade. This trade was just called out live to you guys just a few minutes ago, literally just a few minutes ago. You're in the money. Take the money, take the profit. Doesn't matter. Get out of there. Just take it. You're good. US 30 called a sell stop earlier when I first joined. That's in the money. NAS is in the money on its sell stop called out live for you guys, and SPX too. But of the three, you can see NAS is clearly the superior sell right there. And there's your money. All right. Now, where were we? Good evening, everybody. Let's see. Watching on YouTube. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate that. James Cochran. What's up, James? You're trading. Don't trade this late at night. You know better. Good evening, Jacob again. Tom Williams. Good evening. Kenneth Head. Good evening. Cristobal Armas, good evening again. Chris Milne, good evening. Dale Matney, good evening. Mr. Noble, good evening. Sandro, good evening. What's up, Stevie Haynes? Not much, just having fun, calling out a few things. Let's see. Amy Lou, good evening. Jonathan Owen, what's up, Jonathan? All right, does anybody have any questions over everything I just called out? Thank you guys for coming over from YouTube to TikTok. TikTok? It was a great day today. We had so much fun. It was just a blast. Good evening, CV. I mean, what fun did we just made money, by the way, on the ERUSD sell, so we're good. All right. Simple. You can clearly see right here. Let's pull up a NAS, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on a 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. It was perfection. You have rules to follow. The first thing is, was this flat? And it was. Second thing is, did the blue line arch up? It did. Third was, did the pink arch up with it? It did not. But 4, was there a sell stop right here? And of course there was. This is your sell stop. Red, green, red, sell stop. This is after hours. This is going to be shitty. You're not going to see the pink arch up or anything. It's just the way it is. So it is what it is. I would have taken that trade. Matter of fact, I did in another account, and we're good. 1, blue line flat. 2, blue line arched up. 3, pink came up, which it didn't. 4, sell stop. Zoop, zoop. There you go. Wouldn't have been a ton of money, somewhere in this range of about 6 pips on NAS. All right, Trader 101. Hi, Kevin. Can you please check Euro Japan? Yeah, EJ, EUR, JPY. EUR, JPY. I don't even know if I have it. Let's see if it's open. EUR, AUD, New Zealand, CAD, EUR, JPY, EUR, USD. Doesn't look good for the home team. Let's go see if we can find it. And then symbols. And then, nope, we're going to come over to here. It's probably across. EUR, JPY. It is. There it is. Let's close that off. Let's get rid of this German 30. I swear I hate that thing anyways. It drove me nuts all the years. EUR, JPY. 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop. Where's she blowing to? 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. Easiest money you can make. Place it below the yellow line or just in between those two. It's going to go down there and touch it. 1 minute sell stop. EUR, JPY. 5 minute, not low enough. 15. I say enter in a buy stop off the 15-minute yellow line, but drop it down as it comes down. Do the red line for your entry. 15-minute buy stop. 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour. Nope, 4 hours going up. 4 hour daily. 4 hour daily. Daily buy. Daily buy stop, and that's about it. 4 hour weekly. Yeah, I'm done. We're good. So there you go. 1 minute sell to the blue line. Forming probably a 15-minute buy later on. All it's doing is forming a logo, comes over, hooks over, and goes up. Bingo. That's it. Thank you for that question, though, because that gave me a little something to do. Let's see what's next to form. Logically, we have, let me see here. We have 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 15, 30, 30. 30-minute will be the next one to form. You'll see it hooked down below here. You'll see this one turn red. So this is actually going to be a 30-minute buy stop. Did I not say that? I don't know. Let me look over here and see what I said. I don't remember. 15-minute buy stop. No, it's all three now. It doesn't matter which ones. Two, I don't know which. Let me check a look at that. And let me see. Let's see where US 30 is heading to. US 30 1 hour blue line, SPX 1 hour blue line. That's what she's going to be doing later on. Not tonight. Play the sell stops to the blue lines, and then 50-minute buy stops to US 30 1 hour blue line, and also SPX, I should say. Sorry, US 30 / SPX 1 hour blue line. There you go. That's what you'll be doing. Hopefully, Lord willing, good as money. Money in the bank, blah, 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 whatever. All right. Good on that and good on that. We made money on EURUSD live. I'm in a NAS over here. I'm in a gold and NAS over here. Both of those are buys. All right. You're welcome, Ryan. All right. Anybody else have any questions or concerns? Anyone else? Okay. Is anyone new here? Is anyone new here? If anyone's new, please speak up and I'll teach you how to trade real quick. If not, I'll be calling it an evening. I'm new, says Ryan Duhan. Okay. Me, says Xavier Flores. There you go. All right, let's take a look. Welcome, Ryan, by the way, and welcome, Xavier. One Cody Jack. What's up, Cody? All right, here we go. Instead of trying to, what's up, Joe? God bless you too. Instead of trying to trade the old-fashioned way, which doesn't work 99% of the time, which I tried for 5.5 fucking years, what it is this. You lose whenever you try to use support and resistance and all this volume, VWAP. 99% of the time, it does not work. Good evening, Efren Omari. Good evening. Thank you, Ryan. Definitely hit the like button and definitely go over to TikTok from the side. So if you type in do less than 1% of traders make a profit, 99% of all day traders lose. Studies have shown, I just typed it in, Studies have shown, I don't know how to show you. Hold on, let me move this out of the way. So we're all trained in, if you've traded more than a week, most all of us have heard what's called a naming of candles, candle patterns, support and resistance, trend line trading, volume, VWAP, you name it. All of us have learned the same thing, and it's all a bunch of bullshit. Studies have shown more than 90% of day traders lose money over time, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. And that's probably accurate. And I predict that to be about 0.1% of day traders are actually profitable. And it's as simple as that. So yet all of us use the same tools, used to use the same tools, but everything we learned was wrong. So with that being the case, then what works? Well, easy peasy. Watch, I can show you this on TradingView. I can show you this here. Matter of fact, let's swing over to TradingView. Watch how cool this is. Let's go over to TradingView. Oop, it is so cool because we can go down to 30-second charts. Freaking amazing. Come over to here. Now we have the system set up on TradingView. We have the system set up everywhere. So watch what we're looking at right here. 30-second. I like that. Just 1 minute. Let's go to 3 minutes. All right. So I'm going to teach you how to trade. Simple, easy. Oh, it's a Bach break too. That was gorgeous. To the blue line too. Oh, we really got to get Keith getting this 30-second one built for us. Keith's got so much to do. All right. This is what you got. All you're going to have to do is on the top chart right here is a 30-second candle. Yes, you can make sense out of 30-second candles. You obviously can see it's a sell stop of the broken Bach. Also, on the bottom is a 1 minute. So what we're looking at right here is NAS 30-second on the top, NAS 3 minute on the bottom. The 3 minute on the bottom blue line is all you have to know, everyone that's new. One Cody Jack, Xavier, and Ryan. What's up, Maria? Good evening, Maria. Well, NAS print money. It always prints money overnight. Always prints money all day. So this is a 3 minute blue line on my sniper system right here. So $150 a month extra. That's what it is. By the way, sell stop to the blue line's happening right now as you speak. But back to it. Blue line's flat. Number 2. Blue line on the 30-second candles arched up. Number 3, if you want confirmation, you have a pink arched up line right here. Boop. Number 4, you have what's called a sell stop right here. Red, 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 green. This is a broken Bach. When the Bach is broken, don't ask blah, blah, blah against a non-broken Bach. It's worth 1 million confirmations, and I'll get into that in a second. You put your sell stop right here. It goes down to this blue line. And that's it. So in this particular case, you would have made, I don't know, because it's fucking right in the middle of my shit. But at any rate, it's right there. Technically, we can look at our other one. That's probably somewhere in a range of about 8 pips, maybe 10, somewhere around there. And that's it. And that's how you trade. Matter of fact, let me move this shit out of the way. Hold on a second. Maybe, yeah, I can grab it right here. So you'd have made somewhere from here down. And I got to get out of the way because it's a stupid thing. Yeah. 7 pips. 6, 7 pips, 8 pips, whatever. That's what you'd have made on the trade. Let me make it totally safe for you so you can figure out how it works. In our business, red means up, green means, red means down, green means up. Quickly, this is the equivalent of one Cody Jack. He's the green. He's pretending to be up. That's our bullshit detector indicator. It's literally reading green, telling us that's a lie. Below us, you have Ryan right here. The red, the real direction indicator is red. That means it's really going to go down. Underneath that one is red, and that's where you have Xavier. Underneath that one is red, and that's also Maria. So you have one of these things is you equivalent of you swimming around in the ocean. The green means up. So this is one Cody Jack trying to swim in the ocean, stay above, meaning green up. Below him, he had one gentleman grab his arm, pulling him under. You have another gentleman grabbing another arm, pulling you under. You have another person grabbing a leg, pulling you down. You have 3 grown people pulling you under the water as you're trying to stay up. Of course, you can't stay up. Now, when you see this Bach change color right here, where this is the most important indicator in history of the world, when you see this change the green, and this stays red down here, which it does at the same time, which it does right there, then what you have is another confirmation, multiple confirmations. This means people are pushing you under. Then you have our logo form. Then you have the green line. Then you have our down red arrow right here. So you have about at least a dozen or more confirmations, plus the 3 people pulling under, plus about 9 or 10 pushing you under. So poor little Cody Jack can't stay up. And the green can't stay up. It's fake. It's false. So what happens to him? He goes ahead and let me get this one off too. He goes ahead and the trade goes down. And where do we know it's going to? Because it's built in our system to the blue line, and that's what it did. And there's your trade, and you could have made money on that trade very easily. And in fact, it did it again right past it, but not with the safety trigger. Hopefully that made sense. I know I talked really fast, but it's really easy. It is hard to see, but it's very easy to call out. Extremely easy to call out. NAS 1 minute, 5 minute over here, 1 minute chart right here. Okay, 5 minute chart over here. You can clearly see 5 minutes down low. You can also clearly see blue line arched up on the 1 minute. Number 3, pink line arched up with it. 4, there is a break in your Bach, non-break over here, sell stop, and down it went. This is NAS on a 1 minute, 5 minute. You'd enter it off of this line right here, and you'd been up about 16 pips. Same thing. No chance of this trade going up with everything pulling you under, especially the sniper doing it. By the way, it's forming another sell stop, but not a 1 minute yet. We have to let this pull up a little bit higher on the blue line. And the problem is it's just a slow evening. There's no shit going on at all. Oh, good, Xavier. You understood what he said. Awesome, Xavier. Hi, Kevin. Can you explain how to correlate the time on Nadex? How do you know how long? Oh, if you're trading Nadex, you literally only trade Nadex using 15-minute, 30-minute options. It's the easiest shit on earth. I love Nadex. Oh my God. I made I was training my brother on Friday, I think it was $680 on Nadex. It's the easiest shit on earth. On demo, but still was easy. All right, so how do we correlate? We come over to the 15-minute chart, we open up a 30 or a 1 hour, doesn't matter. And I'll show you how that worked out for you guys today. It was gorgeous. Gorgeous. Let's take a look again. This is today. We had the blue line high. Let me pull this back over here so we don't get too confused. On the 1 hour, on the 30-minute, blue line was high. And then we had the opposite occur. The blue line dipped down right here. You can clearly see it was down low. Number 3, the pink line also dipped, but that's later. It's going to be a bigger push up here in a minute. Anyway, and then 4 was a buy stop. Now, what you didn't have clearly was a buy stop right here on the 5-minute line, 15-minute line. So you'd have to go down to the 5-minute line. Then you would have saw a buy stop back in here, boop, and one right there, boop. So that's all. So you have to correlate. Your time would be, if you see a 15-minute buy stop or sell stop, you'd come over to Nadex and you'd open up a weekly Nadex, either buy or sell accordingly, and then trade it. Now you can do daily if you want, because 80% of the time the 15 minutes will form in a day, but I would not do it unless you can, if you can get a weekly, like in the money, like 50 or 48 or whatever, depending on which way you're going with it. I would take that on a weekly every time. You won't make as much, but you don't have to worry about the movement for the day either. You have all data, all week to let it happen. And this is the 15-minute buy stop, by the way, on that. So that's how you do that. 1 minute sell to the blue line. I missed the next call. You know what will happen at overnight. Yep. All 1 minute sell stops to blue line will happen. You can just watch this video when I'm done. Kev, can you do blue line training? Thank you, says Fred. Picture perfect sell stop on gold. 1 minute only trade to do, says Ryan. Let's take a look at gold. See how everybody understands what they're doing, by the way? It was a 1 minute sell stop. We must have missed it. Let me see if this is 1 minute gold picture perfect. Let's see if it holds to our rules. Oops, 1 minute over here. Doop, doop. 5 minute over here. Absolutely, it did. So this is our rules again. Number 1, 5 minute flat line. Yes, it was. Number 2, did the 1 minute arch up? It sure did. Number 3, was there a pink arch up on the 5 minute? There was. Number 4, was there a sell stop? Yes, there was. So now you have flat, arched up, blue against it, pink arched up, sell stop. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. Easiest fucking trade you're going to make, like he said. That easy. You'd have caught gold from here to here. Now, I wouldn't do a Nadex option on that quick little movement, but you didn't need a Nadex option. 1916 to 1930, $3 an ounce on gold. Currently, I'm in gold on a buy, And currently I'm in gold on a buy, and I'm up $68 an ounce. And 86 pips on NAS, by the way. That's the other trade right there. In this account, I have 7 different Eagle FX and 2 Eagles Way. Blue line trading. The blue line trading is exactly as said. Let me see if we just do it here on gold while we're here. Yeah, here we go. Okay, this is 1 hour. Okay, let's take a look. Let's make this 4 hour. In a book, Reading Rainbow. Whoever did their training should actually understand this. Let's take a look at how easy this is to find. This is it right here. Oh my God, couldn't ask for better. Right here, 30-minute, 1 hour. I can count the 1 hour. We could probably even go down a 30-minute right here. Let's see. Yep, can break back. Yep, there we go. So we have a 30-minute 4 hour or a 30-minute 1 hour. I'm going to make those interchangeable soon, so you don't have to worry about shit. This is a 30-hour, 4 hour. Is it high? Yes, it is. Blue line is not at the bottom. It's up top. Boop. Number 2, did the blue line dip down on the 30 minutes? So this is a 30-minute 4 hour. Did the blue line dip down? Yes, it did. Number 3, did the pink line drop down with it? Well, let's take a look and see. Yep, perfection. You can see the blue lines dipped while the pinks dipped down also. Number 4, was there a buy stop? Boy, I'd say there was a buy stop. There was a buy stop, green, 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 red, with a green over here. Not non-Bach. This is my Bach, the most important indicator in history of the world. Broken red. It went from green to red while this one stayed green. That Bach, the non-Bach break, is worth 1 million up indicators, meaning we already had everything correct. So we had the bullshit detector saying down the red. We know that's a complete and fucking lie because it's bullshit. Then we had green up, green up, green up. And then we had this, then we had that, which is the most important thing in history of the world. Then we had the pink. Then we had the broken Bach. When you see the broken Bach, it's literally 1 million confirmations saying up. I'm not going to draw this 1 million times. And you'd have 1 million against 1 for down. The bullshit detector, which said it was going to go down, which was bullshit. We know it was. And of course, the trade had no choice but to go up, and it did. And now your trade was hugely in the money. That was a perfect one. This 30-minute one would have been a perfect one to take on a weekly buy stop on Nadex. And you would have just made a shit ton from 1874 to 1930, 1932. Fuck, that's a lot of money. And of course, I did it on the other day on the 4 hour, called out live with you guys right here off of this movement. Boop, up it went. It's actually here, I think, the first time it went. Boop, right there. And there it is. And I'm still in that trade from last week, actually. So it's trading to the blue line. You can clearly see, by the way, this is the trade right here. The buy stop, green, 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 1 hour to the blue line, the 1 hour blue line. And you can't miss it. It's distinct. You can see the logo right here. You have to follow all of our rules. Yes, you do. You literally have to print these rules out. Okay. So what you're going to do, if you see a clear safety trade in a 1 minute time frame, if you don't see a clear safety trade, look for the next highest, but always look back. So make sure there wasn't a sell stop there when there was a buy. The order in which the safety trades form are 1 minute on up. You may open more than one safety trade, blah, blah, blah. Don't get caught in it. It literally says, so don't get suckered into that. Once the safety trade finishes, look for the next highest time frames. So that's what that is. Remember, all we're trading is our logo, which is right here. It just so happens that the logo is, I condensed it down to just 2 simple little lines, either an up or green or a down red. That's all it is. That's all you got. And this is what it goes to when you're trading to a blue line. And by the way, the scanner would call these out like yesterday's news, the easiest shit on earth. So let's just go down to gold right here and see. Gold was a buy stop. Look at this. Gold was, see, this is why you guys need the scanner. None of you really know how to, nothing, and no offense to all of you, but 99% of you don't know how to trade, even with my system. But I do. And the scanner is programmed to trade just like me. So when I called the one, when this was called out, a buy stop 1, which means it was to the blue line, verified with the next highest time frame of the 4 hour. This was a BS1 1 hour gold. And I just taught you how that traded. So this system for $50 a month, you pay $575 for your yearly. And then for $50 a month, you get a system that trades exactly like me. This scanner is worth $50 a month times, I don't know, 1,000. If you like to trade more than one symbol or two symbols, it trades all your indices, all your Forex, all your cryptos. It's so fucking cool. Stocks, 55 of them. All your major cryptos are here. There's one, OMG USD, buy stop 1 minute. And it trades to the blue line. It has an actual little thingamajigger. What do you call that shit right here? It tells you a scale or whatever they call it, where it tells you a key. It tells you exactly what this is. 1 minute, SS1, BS1s, SS3s, both are good trades. Early warning tells you about the spinning stuff. And it's just fucking amazing. You can do your top 10 indices, top 10 Forex, top 10 cryptos. I mean, it's just amazing. So this scanner trades to the blue line better than 99% of all of you. So when it's calling out an SS1 NAS to the blue line on a 15-minute, you're damn fucking straight that's going to happen. And then you just go check it and look. So one of our guys, D-Nice, takes the scanner here, takes the information from here. He goes over to his trading view. He opens up trading view. He looks on his sniper and he sees if that trade is accurate or not. And if it's accurate, he takes it. And it's the smartest thing out of anyone. You should combine both scanners and then just make your money. Look at this. Boop, 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 boop. I fully suspect overnight by the time 9:30 tomorrow morning, you'll see these. Already did it, by the way. Go to their 1 minute blue lines or get close to them, and it'll be very, very easy. I'm going to change this word here to towards. So if you're having trouble reading the charts, get the scanner for $50 a month. Every one of you wastes more than $50 a month on dog shit. You waste $50 a month on fucking Starbucks or McDonald's or some bullshit you shouldn't be doing. Actually get it. You'll do yourself a favor. Yuri says system is really amazing. Yep. If you don't have the sniper, what are we looking at in respect to the blue line in the charts? What's it there for? It's where it's going to. Jonathan, you know better than ask that question, Jonathan. For the love of God, you know better than that. How do you know when going to blue line without the scanner? What are we looking for? What the fuck? You're looking for the fucking blue line in your trade. What do you mean? What are you looking for? When you see this trade, wow, okay. Get the scanner. Don't be cheap motherfucking assholes, okay? Let me be clear. Get the fucking scanner. Spend $50 fucking dollars. How about that? But if you don't want to spend $50 fucking dollars, then here, look. This is the trade. Look. This is your buy stop. Look. Green, 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 red, Jonathan. Look. J-O, look. Green, green. Buy stop. You see the blue line? Buy stop to the blue line, 1 hour. If you're going to do it properly, you confirm that our logo had formed on the 4 hour. Hooked, came back over, which it did. And there it is. That's what you do. You don't need the sniper. It helps out times 1 billion. You don't need the scanner. It helps out times 1 million. If you have both, you don't have to worry about it. If you have eyeballs, you can clearly see green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. That's what it's going to do, and that's where it went. This isn't rocket scientist stuff. 90% of you overcomplicate this shit. Quit overthinking it. Just make your trades. Just follow the rules. It's easy as shit. We literally have people all day long in the Discord making ungodly amounts of money. We have a wife that just started 20 days ago. I swear to God, I don't think she's lost. I'd have to ask Stevie, but I don't think his wife is lost in 20 days since she first got the system. Some of you have been here for 6 months and still can't make one proper trade. Wow, I'm shaking my head. It's actually quite bad that you guys can't make a proper trade in this time of your lives. Let's go over to no, not the system callouts. Where the fuck are they? Trade recaps. Look, this is it. I don't know. There's somebody. Here we go. Here's Shane. This is today. He made $1,800, $1,600, $1,600, $1,500 today. Okay? Today. Here's TC Solace. I can't read it. I think that's 1,000. Hold on. Oh, it's going to make me open it up in the browser. Oh, it's $129 today. Boop, made. Here's somebody else. Boost, 34-0. He hasn't lost a trade. He's won 34 times. Here's somebody else. Oh, Solace again. I think it's another few $100. Great job, Solace, by the way. Congratulations. I mean, these people are just making trade after trade after trade correctly. Learn. Stevie D, $1,490. Stevie D made. Kim. Kim made, she made a son of a bitch. She loves a sniper. Here's Jake from State Farm. Jake from State, I mean, how many people do you have to see make money here? Profit, $118. Great job, Jake, by the way. Over a Solace again. Driver again. Patrick, don't even get me started on Patrick. Patrick makes thousands of dollars from a backhoe. Here's Drivers. Profit, $234. Over and over and over again. Here's Stevie D, $2,500. There we go again. So that's all. Don't overthink the stuff. Follow your damn rules. You know, you can literally see the fucking blue line. That's how you know where it's going to. Really? You have training on it. Each and every one of you have your training videos. Promise you do. I know, I love it. I love it, says Maria Toler. How do I join the Discord, Kev? After your training, you have look in your Typeform and it'll tell you what to do, how to join it. Ephraim, don't ask. You made money. Yay. Congratulations, Maria Toler. I'm so proud of Maria. It did not come easy to Maria Toler. She actually struggled. I think it was 6 months, but she never quit. She kept at it. And now I believe, I don't want to misspeak for her, but she makes anywhere from $300 to $500 a day. So congratulations to Maria Toler. She just kept sticking with it, watching her training videos, sticking with it, watching her training, and bingo. Now she's making hundreds of dollars a day. Very, very proud of you, Maria and Steve. All right, TikTok, got to go. Thank you all for being there. God bless. Heading over to YouTube for a split minute here. Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? What's your question, Miss Maria Toler? What do you have? Ask away. Oh, no questions? Okay. Maybe I misunderstood. All right. God bless you all. Have a great night. Study your rules, print your rules, memorize the rules. Look for the break on one of the 3 indices, either well, I don't know because SPX hit it last night first. But look for US 30, SPX, or NAS to hit their blue line 1 minute first, and look for the other ones to follow. Put the matrix return to my family back inside. Nice, Ryan. Congratulations. With these calls currently down $5. I'm sure you will, Efron. Thanks for your time. You're welcome, Nathan. Thanks for your time. God bless. All right. God bless you guys. Thank you for everything. Y'all have a great night. Talk to y'all later. Yay. Well, that was easy and quick. Yay. Where's that button on?